Hey there, this is Lisa with WTI.
If you're like me, then you're always looking for ways to stay hydrated. I want to show you this new obsession. It's this glass with bamboo lid that has been working wonderful. I love the fact that it's super functional. I can choose to just drink water or my iced coffee. I literally use this the whole day. I bring it with me everywhere. It's just beautiful. It's super stylish. And you're going to see that this is the floral #1 design, which I love. Sandpiper even gives you the option to design your own glass. These glass with bamboo lid have everything you need. It comes with a plastic straw, with the glass, and the well-made bamboo lid. This bamboo lid will allow you to have any drink secure seal, will allow your drink to be fresh and prevent any spills. So if you're looking for that ideal gift that everyone's gonna love, I highly recommend these glasses by Sandpiper Inc.
And that's my point of view.